Hello guys, good morning, and good evening. It's me again, Ryan, back with another pretty good day trading recap. I think today was not bad. I think today was one of the good ones I've been waiting. I got a really good move from YNDX. Yeah, at least 2 ATR. So that's very rare. Yeah, why did I say YNDX? Yeah, so let's look at our gap pair swatch list. So today we have a lot, really a lot. But the thing is, sometimes even it's a lot, you have to be very, very careful which one to pick. So I picked fast YNDX and kind of Roku on the side, but I said I'm just gonna watch this too because they're like on the very top and the very bottom. So YNDX was the weakest, so it gapped down 8% pre-market, and fast gapped up 10% at pre-market as well. So looking at this, fast is 70 cents ATR, same as YNDX, 78 cents. So it could potentially move around that much, 70 cents. So I said I need to be a bit huge for this because we never know how much it's gonna move. But you know what happened to them? They both moved twice, more than twice actually, of their ATR. So I caught some of them, but I missed fast because I got filled in YNDX. I was looking at fast first, but I got filled in YNDX on my short when it squeezed. But yeah, let's watch our trade and let's see. Market open. Let's fast forward this 3 times so it's faster. So I actually have a level here. So when I'm looking at the stock, so right now I was watching fast and I have an order for YNDX just in case it because I really want to short it, because looking at daily levels it was pretty good. So but I was closely watching fast. Oh, there you go. I mean, and then fast moved after this. Let me see if I can rewind it. So I was actually looking to enter long here, but the thing is it already moved 40 cents. So I was kind of hesitant of trading it because it has 70 cents. It has 70 cents ATR, right? So like how did I know it's 40 cents? I have 1 ATR here. So this is 1 ATR, so it shows me how much it moved from open. So I was kind of hesitant. Maybe, I don't know, maybe this is kind of going to reverse because around this area. But I was really watching this if it kind of held around this area. So, but the thing is, around this time I got filled. Looking at this, around this time I got filled with YNDX because I send an order for short because it's on SSR. So most of the time when a stock is on SSR, it's harder to get in. So I did send an order around this area, which is I think 32.20. Yeah, 32.27. Is it 32.27? So I did send an order there, and I'm just risking somewhere here. So about 30 cents, kind of like high of this line. This is the daily line, and let's say I get squeezed, then oh my god, this is going to hurt if I get squeezed here. So I got short here, and yeah, and the rest is history. So I was kind of like not prepared what to do with this one because I didn't know I got failed until I saw my order in my positions, my open positions, because I was closely watching fast. I'll show you later how fast did, because it did a really good move as well. So yeah, took some off there, I was taking slowly, like I think these are like small taking profit, probably 25%. So this is probably 25%. And because I really want to get this, so this is where I took half. There you go. So we got filled. I'm gonna fast forward this because it's gonna take a while. So after getting out majority of my shares here, so I got a big chunk here, almost 1 hour. So I got a big chunk here, and I said since I got a 1 hour here, I'm gonna have it at break even, no matter what. So did I have it? Yeah. So normally when I'm having a break even, so my price is 32.37. I added it in 32.35. I take few cents because I don't really want to get filled right at the break even because sometimes I get slippage. So yeah, let's watch. So looking at this, it made a wick here. I said, it could potentially just move back and break here, break the high of day. Normally that's what happens when you have when it doesn't break the level. So I have a wick here, a wick here. So this is like an indecision. It doesn't know where it's going. The thing is, you can also trade it when you're scared of trading. When you're scared of trading 2 minutes or 1 minute orbs, you can trade it 5 minute. But the thing is, when you trade a 5 minutes orb, you will miss the move. If you trade here, probably here, and risk here, this is your take profit. Trade here, 5 minutes. Oh no, here. Trade here, and you probably risk at VWAP. You can do that. Yeah, that's probably the recommended thing to do. But once I'm very impatient, so I want to get in the first move so I can get the big ones. So yeah, that my order got filled here. The reason why I got out here because I thought it's gonna make new 1 minute high, which it did in this one. So I was slowly taking profit. So I think I'm out 75% here. 75% of my position. So I can't remember how many times. Let's watch. So I can't really show you like what's my level 2 and my time and sales, because looking at this I got a pretty good move. So sometimes when I got a pretty good move, I don't look at level 2 anymore, or I do, but not my priority. Once I get a good portion, I don't focus on them anymore because I'm not scalping anymore because I got a good move. And then I have my lines to be strict. I have my lines to follow. I need to be strict. So this one, I was looking at this wick. I said maybe it's gonna move back up and then get out. I think it squeezed up. So I think I had my order at 55. So this is to get out 32.55 around here. Get all out 32.55. But the thing is, yeah, I didn't get I didn't get filled in there, which is good. So this is my. I have less than I have 10% left on my trade. So this is probably my last share. But yeah, I'm gonna show you a really cool one later because something happened here. So yeah, that was a good move. So normally, I don't want to show you the level 2 details anymore because I was just partialing out at my levels. So I have a video about how to draw levels. So if you can, I think I did it 2 days ago. 2 days ago, how I draw my levels. That's the name of the title of the that's the title of the YouTube. So if you can watch that, it's not very good, but maybe I'll redo that video because it was impromptu. So looking at this, it continued. So this is my last share. The reason why I didn't want to take it here because it's overextended already. So this move, this is a 280R move. So this is from here, from my position to here. This is $1.40. So I showed you, right? I showed you this YNDX has 78 cents. So roughly, I rounded off, so it's like $1.40 roughly. So or $1.60. So that's why my order, I said I think it's gonna hold this, and it's round number. I have a line here, it's round number, and I think it's gonna hold. So what I did was, I'll put it somewhere here to get out last. But Man, it continued. Like, yeah, it's fine. I mean, you don't want to be too greedy when you have things like this. So yeah, if you look, I get out at lines. This was not, necessary, but sometimes I like taking small portions just to, let's say if it goes back, then I get out at break even, or somewhere here I have a small profit to pay for my commissions, which is good. So here, I think somewhere here I see large orders, like large bid orders. So that's like one of the funniest part. Yeah, so actually this order was a take profit order, and this is a range order. I have an order I have an order here to get out at 3080 and or 3010. So this was a range order. I said I don't want to give this back. I'm gonna get out here. Yeah. So yeah, looking at fast, as you can see how it moved here, right? I could have entered in the pre-market breakout, but the thing is, this is the first minute, and I don't normally get in the first minute. I try not to do it, and the reason why I didn't get in here because this is kind of almost a 180R, so I was scared to basically enter long, but and this rarely happens. Like it goes more than it's 280R. So see, oh my god, just perfect. If I entered here, this could have been a perfect exit all out. As, as you know, this is all-time high, the highest of its the highest price of the stock, and it actually broke, and then I think it went back here somewhere. But yeah, lines are perfect, man. See how accurate that was. 35.94. Let's go back to YNDX. Yep, I'm all out. YNDX. See that? This one is pretty good. Really, really, really huge order. So it's possible that it can go here again. 30.39, but I'm all out. I don't want to be greedy. I saw this even before, but I have another level 2 which is longer, twice longer as this, so you can see large orders, and this one is not disappearing. It means if it's not disappearing, it could probably it could probably squeeze somewhere here. Not squeeze, it could probably tank somewhere here, drop more at 30.39. So let's look closely at 30.50. So when I'm looking at when there's an order like this at 30.50, I look at the price here. So we're 10 cents away, 7 cents away, 5 cents away, 2 cents away. Look closely and look at the level 2. So we're 1 cent away. I think so I just so quick. I don't know what really happened in there. But because this was fast forward, but normally that's where there's one more. 30.20. I'm gonna have this in real time so we can watch it perfect. We can watch it in real time. So 30.20, right? That's 30.20. So 40, 44, 50. Okay, it's a bit too far. Let's wait. Back in 30.50. You see more red prints. Why did I move too fast? Oh, I think I was showing you here how I did it. So that's the all-time high. It did reach 35.94 all-time high. Yep, so it's this one, 35.94. So that's where everyone got out. It didn't even move 1 cent above that, and it just, it's crazy. Whew. Just power of lines. You can actually just trade from those lines. I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you the YNDX, so if you can wait a bit. So 3020, let's watch this closely. Prepare to be amazed. See, look at that. 3020, everyone's selling. Oh my god, the bid is reducing. It means everyone's trying to push this. Everyone's trying to eat this 3020. Eat this. Come on. There. 600, 400, 300, 400. So see, look at that. Crazy. It's crazy. You can actually just short it here, but you have to be careful, of course. And these are the ones that really wanted to short it, and this one as well, because you know you can't short this. You can't hit this. You have to send an order at ask. There, it's almost gone. Boom, and just tank. It can easily go somewhere here at $30. Yeah, it's crazy. Let's fast forward this, see what happens. So it was a 3020, right? Now it's 3005. That's like really good 15-cent move. There. Its lowest is now 30. Yeah, see, it's very easy. Oh, there's more. There. Oh my god. Ah. This is really fun to watch. There's more here. I don't know, man. Yeah. So that's it. Hope you guys learned something in there. Hope you guys liked it. Sorry if this was a long video. So yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, please, if you can, please subscribe to my channel. I really need the subscribers to, you know, for me to change my YouTube channel name, to have my own YouTube channel name, my link. And yeah, so it's Friday, all green days, full green week, no losing day. Pretty good. I got nothing else to say. Have a good weekend, everyone. I'm not sure if I'm going to trade on Monday anyways, because it's Thanksgiving in Canada, and I hope I can wake up, but because I have plans on Sunday, so I don't know if I can wake up on Monday. So happy Thanksgiving to everyone who's in Canada. So yeah, that's all I got to say. Have a good weekend, everyone. Peace.